How do you use Facebook fan subscriptions feature? To use the Facebook fan subscriptions feature, you first of all have to meet the global eligibility threshold. You must be at least 18 years or older. And you also need to have 10,000 followers, and you must have accumulated either 50,000 post engagement or 180,000 total watch minutes across your video library. Your content must stay strictly in line with Meta's partner monetization policies. Now go ahead and navigate to the setup panel by opening the Facebook application. Then tap on your profile icon on the top right. From here, you should be able to access the professional dashboard. Go ahead and tap on it. Then proceed to the monetization section. Locate the subscription option. From there, tap to get started or activate. Once you do this, you can choose your price and supporter perks, then link your payout information, then proceed to publish member-only contents. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.